John Piper with the Tuesday video, and it's Tuesday the 25th of June. Right, gold to start with this morning. If we look at this chart, we saw the low back in August. I think this is where this new bull market started. 5 waves up to here. Wave 1, wave 2 down to here. And let's get down to, now, what I think we're seeing here is wave 3 starting up, okay? Now, wave 3 is obviously bigger than wave 1, not always, but I think in this case it will be, given that it's been so dynamic already. So wave 1 took us from around 1160 up to 1340, so 180 odd points. So the minimum target would be around 1440, which of course is where we are now. In fact, this is actually where, if this is an ABC, A would equal C, but there's no sign of an ABC form here. We've got impulsive moves. What we're seeing, I think, is just wave 1 of 3. Let me just go on to, so I think it's going to go a lot higher. If we look at the more detail, so my count basically is that we've got a wave 1 here, that's wave 1, irregular wave 2, and we can count 5 waves up now for wave 3, 1, 2, 5 part 3 move, 3 and 4 and 5. Now, so 5 could be close to an end. This could be the complete third wave. We haven't got confirmation of that yet. Right, in terms of movement, this is from around 1270 up to around 1340, about $70. This one's gone from 1320 up to 1440, so $120. So again, decent relationship, third wave action. But we've still got a 4 and a 5 to come here. So I think a fourth wave correction is due. So shorter term traders may want to think about getting out, I guess, because it's liable that we're going to see a fourth wave. It may not do, of course. I mean, you've got to use your own discipline, your own strategy, really, in that matter. I did, as I said, I think on Saturday, Thursday, sell some options I'd bought, mainly because options are affected by volatility. So you can get a better price for your call options if you sell in the end of wave 3, that's what we're seeing, rather than waiting for wave 5, because by the time wave 5 comes along, you've wasted, the volatility has dropped away, time has gone down again, because time value is a big part of an option price. So obviously wave 4 takes up time, wave 5 takes up time, so often it's better to get out of an option in the wave 3. But right now there's no real sign that wave 3 is over. Let's have a look at the very shorter term. This is a 5-minute chart. I mean that's possibly the top of 3, but more likely a fourth wave, I think. I'm seeing a triangular fourth wave before we finally see the end of 3, perhaps. That could change. I mean, it could sort of break down, but I mean, there's possibly a 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 3. So it could just be 3. It could be 4 of 3 of 3. Anyway, there's no real sign that this wave 3 is over. And once it is over, we've still got wave 4 and 5. So I think this move is going to go higher. And of course, once we've seen wave 5, we've still got wave, that will complete wave 3 of this sequence off the low. And we then got wave 4 and 5 again to complete the whole thing. So, in fact, there's may only be 1 of 3 as well. What we're seeing here could be the first wave of 3, before we see 3 of 3, which could be a very dynamic move. So I think there's a lot more to come on gold, and obviously I'll be trying to track it. But right now, I think we're quite close to a correction. We may have a few 4 and 5s to come, which tend to be a little bit slower. But I think it's going up. And I think we're going to see higher prices for the foreseeable future, with the occasional bigger correction. Looking at Bitcoin, there are similarities, since we've got what I'm calling the big one, which took Bitcoin up 3x. So Bitcoin is a lot more dynamic than gold. Then got this very subnormal wave 2, which doesn't really look like it can be a wave 2 at all, in fact. But then, rather like gold again, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, so we're due a correction, a wave 2 probably, before we see a wave 3 up. So it could be, again, a hugely dynamic move is coming quite soon, I think, on both gold and Bitcoin. I mean, there are alternative counts, particularly on Bitcoin, in that this could be wave 5 of 1, so that would allow for a much bigger correction. But right now, I think the fact that gold seems moving some kind of harmony would perhaps suggest that the account that we're seeing wave 1 of this big third wave is the preferred count, meaning that although a pullback is due, it may be subnormal and we may see something quite dramatic afterwards. Meanwhile, the Dow continues to try to regain the previous all-time high around 26939. Looks like a 1 wave, followed by an irregular 2, and looks like we could have actually seen 5 waves here as well. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe during the sell-off, but I would think we're going to, again, the magnetic attraction of the all-time high is pretty powerful. So I think we're probably going to move above it at some point. DAX is also stalled at the moment, so we've got this 1, 2, 1, 2, decent third wave thrust going sideways, suggesting we're going to go higher. And the same with FTSE. So we've got 1, 2, 3 moves so far. 1, 2, 3. 4th wave in progress. When that's over, we'll see a 5th wave. That would be my expectation here. So FTSE has got a shot at the previous all-time high, I think. Especially if we get a correction following this new peak. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope you found that interesting and useful. Back to report on Thursday morning. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.